A warm welcome to our respected Vice Principal Sir, Supervisor Ma'am, Academic Coordinator, and all my dear teachers. I, Radisha, welcome you all on behalf of Class 2B to our Environment Day Assembly. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th. It was founded in 1972 by United Nations as a day to do activities that help the environment. Thank you.
Our environment means everything in the world around us, including living things, mountains, rivers, and air. Our surroundings are affected by what we do. These actions harm our environment, like polluting the air, cutting down trees, etc.
Plastic pollution has become one of the most dangerous environmental issues as a rapidly increasing production of disposable plastic products overwhelms the world's ability to deal with them.
We can help the environment by planting more trees, using less electricity and water, and carefully choosing what and how much we buy and eat. Let us all celebrate the June 5th World Environment Day with the theme Beat the Pollution. Here we have Class 2B kids to create an awareness on plastic pollution. Let's watch.
No plastic bags. Please bring your own bags and say no plastic bags when you go for shopping. Thank you.
Use food wrap for bakery items is reusable, environment friendly and convenient. Let's say no to plastic bags. Dump less, save more. Thank you.
Carry your own container for takeaway food and skip the plastic bag to minimize plastic pollution. Thank you.
Do something drastic, cut the plastic. tons of plastic is produced every year worldwide, half of which is designed to be used only once. Of that, less than 10% is recycled. My name is Vedavya Vivek. To stop plastic pollution, you can participate in or organize a cleanup of your local beach. Pick up trash and recycle the plastics you use and use alternatives to plastic items to buy them and use it further. Thank you.
Make the world a beautiful place. Start reducing plastic waste. Now it's time to watch a beautiful dance presentation by the dancing stars of class 2B. Let's sit and enjoy. Thank you.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा
कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा
प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है
मौका ये अपना गवाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो प्लास्टिक है सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो वही थैली बोतल स्ट्रॉ इत्यादि सर्रे सर्रे में फैला दी ना घट पाए ना मिट पाए रह रह के टॉक्सिक बन जाए इससे छुटकारा तो नहीं पर है एक सरल उपाय रे सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक को हम कह दे बाय बाय रे
I take this opportunity to thank you all for being part of this World Environmental Assembly. However, the bottom line is that by saying no to plastic, you are contributing to a healthy environment. On behalf of ISLK family, I request you all to take a pledge to say no to plastic.
Request you all to please stand up and repeat after me. Refuse single-use plastic. Reuse durable bottles and bags. Reduce your plastic footprint. Rethink what you can't refuse, reduce or reuse. Thank you. Have a nice